Ever wonder what $1,050,000 can get you in one of the most exclusive resorts community in Costa Rica? Today we're at Miramar in Los Sueños Resort looking at this stunning 3-bed, 3-bath condo. Come with me and I'll show you why. Living here, it's all about convenience. The main way to get around is by a golf cart. You can just hop in and drive down to local restaurants, the beach club, or over to visit friends. This specific unit with 1,700 square feet features a great layout, beautiful ocean views, and even you have your own private storage where you can lock away your surfboards after a day outside. If you love being on the water, you're right next to the premier marina, which offers some of the best fishing in Costa Rica. If you prefer staying on land, Iguana golf course is there where you can play surrounded by nature. You also have different restaurants right inside the resort to enjoy. And the location, it's amazing. It's only 1.5 hours from the international airport and only 10 minutes to Jaco Beach. Ready to experience the best of Costa Rica? Come see Los Sueños for yourself and discover where luxury meets adventure. See you here!